With just a few fresh ingredients from the sea, you can create two stunning pasta dishes. One is packed with a variety of seafood, while the other lets the mussels truly shine. Let's dive into both and see which one you'd crave first. First up, seafood pasta with a bit of everything. Soak about 10 ounces of clams in lightly salted water for 30 minutes to an hour. Change the water a few times to help remove any grit, then drain and rinse well. In a large pan, heat up some olive oil over medium-high heat. Add a garlic clove, parsley stalks, and a dried chili. Then toss in the mussels and clams. Pour in about 1/3 of a cup of white wine. Cover and let them steam until the shells open. Strain them, and don't forget to save the flavorful liquid. We'll use it later. In a separate pan, heat more olive oil. Add another garlic clove and peperoncino, then toss in the calamari and, if using, a bit of octopus. Season with salt and saute for 2 minutes. Add the shrimp, cook for just 1 minute, then deglaze with about 3 tablespoonfuls of white wine. Set all the seafood aside. Meanwhile, cook your spaghetti in boiling salted water. Back in the pan, add halved cherry tomatoes, season with salt, and cook for about 5 minutes until softened. Pour in the reserved shellfish broth and a ladle of pasta water. When the pasta's al dente, move it straight into the sauce. Now bring back all the seafood. Toss and swirl everything together until the pasta is glossy and perfectly coated. It's a plate full of ocean flavor, briny, juicy, and deeply satisfying with every bite. Ready for something simpler, but just as delicious? Let's move on to our second recipe, mussel pasta. In a large pan, heat olive oil and add a garlic clove, parsley stalks, and a dried chili. Toss in the mussels, pour in 3 tablespoons of white wine, cover and cook until they all open. Set the mussels aside and reserve the liquid. While the pasta cooks in salted water, cut some cherry tomatoes in half and heat olive oil in the same pan you used earlier. Add garlic and chili again, then the tomatoes. Cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes until they start to melt down. Once your spaghetti is al dente, add it to the sauce along with a bit of pasta water and that flavorful mussel broth. Give everything a gentle toss until the sauce clings to the pasta. This one's all about the mussels. Clean, sweet, and perfectly balanced by the tangy tomato base. 2 dishes, same sea, different vibe. One's a full-on seafood celebration, the other is a minimalist mussel masterpiece. Which one would you serve at your table? Or why not try both? If this made you hungry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.